The scientific difference between gray and blue eyes. Gray and blue eyes may look similar, but scientifically they differ in pigment concentration, collagen structure, and light scattering behavior inside the iris. Melanin levels, pigment density. Both blue and gray eyes contain low melanin compared to brown eyes, but not exactly the same amount. Blue eyes. Very low melanin in the front layer, stroma. Gray eyes. Extremely low melanin, sometimes even less than blue. However, pigment alone does not explain the color difference. Light scattering physics. Blue and gray eyes do not contain blue or gray pigment. Their color comes from how light interacts with microscopic structures in the iris. Blue eyes and Rayleigh scattering. Blue eyes primarily result from Rayleigh scattering, the same phenomenon that makes the sky appear blue. Shorter blue wavelengths scatter more efficiently. The scattered blue light reflects back out of the iris. This creates a clear blue appearance. Gray eyes and structural scattering and density effects. Gray eyes involve less melanin than blue eyes. Higher collagen density in the iris stroma. More uniform scattering of all wavelengths. Instead of selectively scattering blue light, strongly gray eyes scatter light more evenly across wavelengths, producing a desaturated effect, silver or smoky appearance. Sometimes slight green or blue shifts depending on lighting. Think of it like this. Blue eyes equals filtered blue. Gray eyes equals diffused neutral light. Collagen structure in the iris. The iris stroma contains microscopic collagen fibers. In gray eyes, collagen fibers can be denser or differently arranged. This changes how light refracts and reflects. The result is a softer, less saturated tone. This structural difference is subtle but measurable. Genetic differences. Both eye colors are influenced by genes near OCA2 and HERC2. Gray eyes may involve additional modifier genes. Slightly different regulation of melanin production. Variations affecting stromal development. Research suggests gray eyes are not simply lighter blue. They may represent a distinct combination of pigment suppression and structural traits. Why gray eyes change color more easily. Gray eyes often appear blue in bright daylight, look green near vegetation, turn steel-like in cloudy weather. Because low pigment allows environmental light to influence perception. The neutral base tone reflects surrounding colors. Blue eyes tend to remain more consistently blue. Hi, I am your host, Marianne White, on the YouTube channel Elms Bacardi. I'd really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. See you in the next one.